Hi, and welcome to another episode of Tales from the GIS. This is your host, Eduard Roccatello, and today we will see how to create a temporary layer from a selection in QGIS. It's quite an easy task to do, but it's not well documented, so you may need to explore all the menus to do that. And so let's start selecting a few things. I selected the region here of Italy. I know this is the Veneto region. You may want to export this into another file. You may have a few choices to do that. The rapid one is to click the edit menu, click copy features, and then paste feature as or new vector layer or your temporary scratch layer. As you can see, it prompts you for a name. Let's call it Veneto. Okay, and it works. So you have extracted a piece of the original layer with just an easy way. Or the other thing you can do is always having selection. You can use extract selected features here in the processing toolbox, and also you can create a temporary layer. Okay, and you have obtained the same result. So perfect. They are both temporary, or you can use the old way we have seen before, which is the export selected feature here. But you cannot create a temporary layer using that way. So I hope this has been interesting to you. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe, and see you to the next episode.